Today you will find out how you can trade with the help of BOS and CHoCH, what they are for need and what it is in general. Let's look at these two examples, how to use BOS and CHoCH. First, you should understand how our structural points are formed, that is, maximum and minimum, when the price is removed by the inducement. That is, the inducement is our first rollback. Here, in this place, the price is removed, thereby inciting people to sell because they see the break of this swing, plus there may be a break of some kind, yes, some kind of block. Maybe it all happened impulsively here, maybe there will be a balance. Yes, they will be here to sell, because they will try to buy, they will see the break of this swing, yes, and will try to sell. But what is happening in our strategy at this moment? The snap simply confirms this point, this high, removing the inducement. In the future, it moves up to this high and updates it. And this will be BOS for us. That is, BOS is a break in the structure in the continuation of any trend. In this case, this is a continuation of the rising trend. It is also very important that the price is fixed precisely by the body above the BOS line, you understand, yes? And only after the BOS update, we automatically confirm the lowest point here. Not here, but here, because this is the lowest point from which the movement that updated this high began. You understand, yes? Here our model is closed. By the way, here we also see the formation of a secondary trend. There was actually no correct rollback here because the price of this movement did not update this high from which the correction began. Therefore, there is no correct rollback here, there will be no structural points, there will be only one movement. And here there was already a removal of the inducement. Accordingly, there will be confirmation of the secondary maximum and secondary minimum. That is, they will be like this, yes, and they can also be traded. And there will also be a local BOS because we already have a minimum. So there was a BOS, that is here, you understand, yes? Next, what is CHoCH? CHoCH is a change in the nature of the trend. That is, when the price already changes its direction, for example, from rising to falling. We see that we have a maximum here, yes, because the price removes the inducement here. Next, it makes a BOS here and confirms a new low here. Thus, the new maximum is confirmed here. Also, the price removes the inducement. Here, look, we have a theory of the range up to this minimum. This is the beauty of our strategy. Our strategy is from the range up to the minimum, up to this maximum. You understand, yes? And what do we see? That the price still falls down and intersects this point, that is, this LOY, this minimum. Accordingly, we will have CHoCH, that is, a change in the nature of the trend from rising to falling. And it is also very important that the price is fixed precisely by the body under the CHoCH line, that is, lower, not higher, but lower. Because if in both cases the liquidity of the shadow will be removed, then it will be unconfirmed information. You understand, yes? So friends, let's analyze this whole movement. This is the EURUSD, the time frame is 1. What do we see? The maximum is confirmed here because the price removes the inducement from the market. In the future, it will do BOS, that is, it will update this high here. This will be BOS. Therefore, a new LOI is expected here. A new low Y, a new high will be here because the price again removes the inducement from the market. We now have a range of this minimum and up to this maximum. A clear range. And we see that the price does not withstand this range but breaks through the bottom point, the bottom minimum. What will we have here? Right, we will have CHoCH, that is, a change in the nature of the trend. Now we have to look for a deal on sale too, after the removal of the inducement. We see that the removal of the inducement is already here, it is being removed, and it already confirms the minimum in the downtrend. It concerns the extreme block. We have only 2 blocks in the impulse. If you have not watched the video about the other blocks, then look, it is on the channel. And it moves down, makes an update of this LOI, that is a boss, and confirms this high. And then the movement has already gone there. Here is a new LOI, here is the removal of the inducement, here we will have a new boss. In the future, a new high is automatically confirmed. And notice, everywhere the price is directed by the bodies of these bosses, and CHoCH was also a body here. Further, a new LOI, we must find it here because here the price has increased, as you can see. And remove the inducement here. It is very important to follow the logic of the inducement as a stimulus for the market for any movement. The price removes the inducement for the rising trend. In order to go higher, remove the inducement for the falling trend. The block touched, there were 2 bites in the purchase, that is, it prompted people to buy the price because it was supposedly a break. We had a bargaining, and here I have already opened my position for sale because I understand that we have a trans-shared, we have a completely shared range, we have a clear zone. And here the boss does it, a new one, and confirms a new maximum here in this place. Something like this is the structure. Friends, thank you all for watching. Like, write comments, subscribe to the channel, watch the video to the end and send it to your friends. Help me promote my channel. Thank you all very much and bye.